Hello everybody. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jamey Bond. I am the owner and operator of 915 Auto Spa. I'm going to be creating a little mini-series here on all my social media that's going to it's more of a passion project. This project is something that I have no experience in. Cars, I'm very well knowledgeable in. Motorcycles, I don't know jack shit. So, I'm going to be creating a series because I want to build a one-of-one custom bobber. It's already bobber converted, as you guys can see here, but the things on this bobber that really make it stand out, like the lights, the stance, the way that I sit on it, it looks cool. But I have an idea in mind, and I've seen renders of it online. I've seen a custom Indian bobber, but the only issue that I've seen is I don't really see how people can make it mechanically functioning. So what I want to do is completely alter the shifting linkage to shift gears on the bike. What I mean by that is what I want to do is right here, I want to position where the original shifting linkage is to right here on my foot, so I can sit at this at more of a Tron style location. And so funny enough, I know absolutely nothing when it comes to anything mechanically with bikes, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. There's a lot of things that I'm going to do to this bike to help alter it in terms of the handlebars, the lights that are on the bike currently right now. I'm going to be switching the tail lights, I'm going to be switching the headlights, I'm going to be adding more lights onto it, maybe some LEDs in the future, but right now I just want to get it to a custom position. I'm going to be switching the wheels on it, I'm going to be adding fenders on it, be changing the wheels on it, and right now it's just kind of a passion project. There's so much at play. Another issue that I've also realized that I'm going to be running into is the location of the exhausts. And that was another thing, is that for my feet on my right side, I can't have it right next to the exhaust, and so I'm either going to have to custom fabricate a heat shield for my leg or get drag styled exhaust bars and drop it down towards the asphalt, so that way the exhaust fumes don't either hit my leg or rub off on my leg. So it's going to be a really interesting experience. But step one is disassemble the whole bike. So this is going to mean completely tear down the bike, learn about the anatomy of the bike, figure out how I'm going to custom make everything that I want to, and go from there. Because when I bought this bike originally, it was not in the best of condition. It actually was pretty messed up. Today I just finished wet sanding down the gas tank and polishing it out to help get rid of all the orange peel, but there's still a lot there. So I'm gonna repaint it either way, and I might even switch the gas tank to a cafe style racer gas tank, but that's something in the future to think about. Right now, I just want to take everything one by one. So yeah, this is going to be something that either is going to flop or it's going to be really cool when it does come together. It's not something that's going to be overnight. I still have to study custom locations. I'm still going to have to study linkage. I'm still going to have to study the way that everything's going to function and work. I'm also going to have my mechanic get involved in this, the one who I take my bike to get serviced with. So it's going to be a lot of just trying to get it all together. But I am really excited. I think if it all works together the way that I hope it does, I think it's going to be really, really cool. But the only issue is just how am I going to get the linkage to where I want to place my foot to where that's going to sit. With custom things come custom problems, and so we'll see what life brings me. But yeah, see you guys on April 5th.